Hi, physical science students, and welcome to Module 10. I'm just going to take a couple minutes to walk you through the assignments due this week. And as you open up your course page, as you scroll down, hopefully you're able to find your grades okay. If you have any questions about anything that is graded, please let me know. But let's make our way down to Module 10. I'm hoping the course has been organized for you and you guys are getting the hang of it. We just finished up Module 9, and this is all of our Unit 4 chapter, which talks about energy. So last week you looked a little bit into the nature and conservation of energy, and we're going to continue that discussion this week in Module 10 when we talk about work. So this module takes us from today, Monday, October 30th, till Sunday, November 5th, when all of the assignments for this week are due. As usual, please read through sections in the textbook. And I'm just going to pull up the textbook link. You'll notice that the textbook link doesn't follow along exactly with the units. So I want you for this week to read chapter 10, which talks about work and machines. We'll focus on work this week, and then next week we'll talk more about machines as well. So just staying in our Module 10 section, work through your interactive notebook, specifically for section 4.3, where it talks about work. We're only getting through one section this week, the work section, so it's a little bit lighter, but because of that, I have an extra activity for you to do. Complete the Module 10 discussion and try to get your initial post in by Wednesday. The Module 10 discussion, hopefully it will be linked here. And if not, you can see the module discussion down here at the forearm. What I want you to do for this Module 10 discussion is describe what work is in your own words based on the information from this section and this module, and then respond to a classmate or two. So there's your Module 10 discussion. The unit activity packet completes sections 3 and 4 for that. Try to upload that whole activity packet if you can. We have a link to some Blue Kit review questions. You probably especially want to check out those this week. It might help you with the quiz. Complete and submit notes for just this section on work. And then there is a quiz on work. And there's also a kinetic and potential energy virtual lab worksheet. I've also linked a work, energy, and power 10-minute video. And then I always link our class YouTube channel where I'll post these weekly updates. The Kinetic and Potential Energy Virtual Lab, I'm going to pull that up here. It's a worksheet that you can work through on your own. It links to an energy skate park simulation where it talks a little bit about kinetic and potential energy. So there's a little bit of a review of the different types of energy from last week. You can fill out this worksheet as you work through that simulation, and then upload the worksheet in the assessment section. So again, this week, as you scroll down, read the chapter textbook, you have PowerPoints, interactive notebooks, the lab activity packets that you'll need to submit, and then your note submission, and then you'll have your discussion, note submission, the kinetic and potential energy virtual lab worksheet, as well as taking the quiz. So that is what this week looks for you. Next week, we'll finish up this Unit 4. So look for a test on Unit 4 next week. Thank you for listening, everybody.